Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our project in Mabvazuva where we are doing this house. So basically right now we're now doing the painting of the house. So as you can see, we've already applied the undercoat of the paint. So the undercoat is already there, and here we are doing some stone cladding. This is where the TV will be. So we're doing stone cladding here up to that level. So we're still working on it. Oh, come. So this is our garage. We've already finished the undercoat garage. Doors as well, as you can see, we are doing the painting. This is our kitchen. Tiling, we've already done the tiling. So these are the tiles that we've done. You can see it's already done in here. There's nothing much that we are doing at the moment because we did the tiles some time back. Now we are finalizing with our painting, inside painting, interior painting, the doors of the rooms, the bedrooms. Then here, these are our bathrooms. We've already done tiles and everything. It's done already. This is our bedroom, one of the bedrooms. Okay. And that coat is already done. So tomorrow we'll be doing the final coat for this paint, for this interior paint. We have decided, the client has chosen dark gray. This is dark gray. The color is dark gray. So yeah, this is what we are using here inside of the house. This is the bathroom. We are also going to do the door frames, the door. We have already done the taping so that we don't mess around with our door handles. Alright, welcome to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, we've already did the undercoat for the doors, undercoat for the walls. Come here, so here's our BIC on this side, coming into the insert, master bedroom insert. We just finished painting this door with gloss enamel. Yeah, so you can come and see the rest of the master bedroom. So this is the rest of the master bedroom. After we're done with painting, then we start to put the curtain rows, the curtains, so that everything, we can make this house habitable. Yeah. So this main bed. Yeah. So guys, I think you have seen it. This is what we do at Skyat. So Skyat is found at Construction House, 8th floor. That's where our offices are, but we are mobile. We can come to your house. We can come wherever you want us to meet you, so that we can give you a quote or we can give you anything that you might want. Thank you very much. Yeah, so this house is for one of our clients who is in Saudi Arabia. We started this house last year, and on this space, it was a ground. There was nothing on this space. But as you can see, now we are already doing the finishing, the touch-ups. So the diasporans, you don't need to worry. We are here for you. We can do project management for you. We can design for you. We can build for you, so that you can have your dream home and you don't have to worry about those scammers, our scammers, those people you send money, they don't do the project. Here we are, we have delivered. This is Skyat, and Skyat can deliver.